Welcome to the 2-Minute SQL Tips. Need to find duplicate records in your data quickly? Let's explore an easy and efficient way to do it using SQL. And yes, we'll keep it short and simple. Suppose we have a table called signups, and we want to find rows where the email column has duplicates. Here is the code we would use. The key here is to group the data by the column you suspect has duplicates, in this case, email. Then, we count how many rows exist for each email using the count* function. To filter out unique values, we use a having clause. This ensures we only see emails that occur more than once. When you run this query, you'll get a list of duplicate emails along with how many times each one appears. In our example, we started with 5 emails. 2 of them are duplicates, so we really have 4 emails. And that's it. A fast and effective way to spot duplicates using SQL. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more 2-minute SQL tips. See you next time.